Friends, today I'm going to show that how to block ads on Facebook. Friends, to block ads on Facebook, it's an easy process. So friends, for this you have to watch the whole video, and after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, for this you have to go to your Facebook. After that, tap on menu at the down right corner. Then my friends, tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. After that, tap on here my friends. At the top right corner, the magnified options, that means stars option, right? Just tap on here. And right here, ads my friends, ADS. And tap on add preferences. First you have to wait a few seconds because it is working inside. Then tap on ad settings. Tap on categories used to reach you. After that my friends, you will find here lots of options, right? If you want, you can make it turn on and turn off based on your interest my friends. And you have to scroll down, then tap on other categories. Then tap on see all categories. You will find here lots of options also. From here you can find or you can remove your interest because there is a loss of interest, right? So simply my friends, I want to turn off this one but remove this one, frequent travelers, and it is here on right now. So friends, like this, if you want, you will be able to block ads on Facebook based on your interest. Friends, to block ads on Facebook, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.